Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're back at the mill again today. And so I'm going to start getting some things installed. My screws should be here any day now. I have to go pick them up. They're not far down the road. I know the shop's pretty busy that who's working on them, turning the screws so they'll fit in these journals or these bearings for me, basically turning journals on them. But I got to get these mounted. I'm gonna get these mounted first. These are the nuts. It's a brass nut or brass, I don't know. And then the steel flange. This flange is gonna go over this hole, and I've got to transfer those the holes that are in the flange into this carriage head. So let's do this. So I'm just gonna eyeball these holes. I'm gonna center the best to my ability this flange. Then I'm going to transfer the holes. So I believe those are probably, yep. So we're going to find a punch that's 2 over a quarter, 2 sizes over a 1/4 inch. And it's going to be 1 size over. Perfect. I really can't do much more until now I get the screws. I guess I could put those axle pins in for the shafts that run across. So I have them both drilled out for these flange nuts. These bolts go all the way through the carriage head into the bottom. There'll be some washers on the back side. And if I feel that that's not going to be strong enough, if I feel the plate metal, the steel on this carriage head's not going to be strong enough, I'm going to put a hole through here and back up the whole back end of it, the bottom of it. It's pretty thick though. This is 3/16. This carriage is 3/16, so I think it's going to be fine. But I'm going to keep this in mind. I still might do it. Not 100% sure yet. Really this carriage was lifted up only by 2 points. One here and one approximately here where the cable went in. And, if it was going to fail then with 2 points, it would have failed. Now I have 4 points where it's attaching to, so in theory it could be stronger than the other system. It probably is stronger. So, okay, we're going to transfer the holes for these. So I'm going to take that 90 bracket off, and the same thing over here. Now those brackets were the brackets that came with the mill, and I just added this piece here. Right now everything is loose, so when I start putting it all together, I can adjust. I have a little bit of slop and things. Just so we can move things around a little bit. I've been putting this part off, but I need to build the bracket for this, and I'm convinced it needs to live here. I was trying to decide if I want the motor on this side or this side, but all the wiring is going to be over here. So I'm going to keep it about flush with about right there. So I need a piece of steel, 10 inches long. That will give me some room to move it in and out. 10 inches long. Let's say 2.5. Let's go 2 3/4. It's 3/8 thick. I don't have anything thinner. I wish I had some 1/4 inch steel left. So that's what it's going to be. This will take a few minutes to cut all this up. We need to cut. I'm going to say it's going to take 3 cutoff wheels. I have a carbide blade on there. Let's see what happens. I have a nice track for it to follow now. It's gonna go something like that, guys. We'll lay a bead of weld in there next time I fire up the welder. So these 3 holes I have to transfer into here. So it's gonna look something. Let's see if we can get this lined up. Something like that. Something just like that, guys. So there'll be 3 bolts going in there. My skills as a welder isn't great, but it'll stick together. Okay, guys, we're at a standstill now until we get the screws back from the machine shop. So we have this plate done. That can adjust and move back and forth. Okay, we have the sprockets mounted on. We have 2 sprockets up in there, 2 sprockets over there. These flanges mounted on. We have the axial loading centers built, one on each side. That's what I'm going to call them, axial loading center. Just another closer look. Everything's loose right now. So that's going to do it, guys. Hopefully the next video I'll have the screws. But that's about all I can do now. There's not much more I can do, so take care. We'll see you at the mill next time.